Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I was in the store the other day and couldn't believe the prices they were charging for granola. Granola is easy and cheap to make, and you don't have the preservatives that the store granolas have since they are made to last a long time on the shelf. You can make as much or as little as you want, and you can add whatever you like, not be limited by what was chosen by the manufacturer. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Put 3 cups of rolled oats into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and whatever nuts you want if you want nuts in your granola. I'm using cashews and pecans since that's my favorite way to make granola. In a small saucepan, put 1/3 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of honey. I'd like to use coconut oil because of the added flavor, but I'm just using canola oil in this video because it's a lot less expensive. Turn on the burner to a medium heat and just warm up these ingredients slightly until they're well mixed. You warm them up slightly, not hot. The only reason I warm them up slightly is because it makes it easier to work with when you use honey. You don't have to warm it up if you don't want to. Pour the ingredients over the oats and mix well. Get a piece of parchment paper out and put it over a cookie sheet. Put the granola mixture on top of the cookie sheet and bake it for about 14 to 16 minutes, stirring once when it is halfway done. Otherwise, the edges get too brown. When the granola is done, add your dried fruit if you choose to do so at this time and mix it in. Put the granola in a bowl to let it cool before putting it into a container. Stir the granola after about 15 minutes to keep it from clumping, unless you like it clumped. If this is too much granola for you, just cut the ingredients in half. If it's not enough, double it. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.